steel industry is a key development in Germany. That is Alfred Krupp. Alfred Krupp had established a small iron company foundry, that was called foundry, in 1810. It transformed into a big company with railways, locomotives and armaments. Alfred Krupp, who established a small company of iron during the time of 1810, in course of time, it transformed into a big company with railway locomotives, parts of railway wagons and armaments, weapons, production of weapons, which leads the first and very important industrialization of Germany. Secondly, the invention of electric dynamo. Electric dynamo in 1866 laid the foundation of the electrical industry in Germany. The next very big and a very good step taken by Germany to improve their industrialization is invention of electric dynamo in 1866, and which leads to foundation of a electric industry in Germany. Not only it is useful for Germany but to different parts. Next, in 1870, the creation of United Germany. Stimulated the industrialization. Overall, if you see, already we have discussed it, but the stimulation, that means permanently without any wars or without any conflicts, without any confusions, where the different parts of Germany unified in 1870, it leads to a great industrialization. Till then it was very slow, but after it started rapidly to grow industrialization. Let us see now France. The industrialization in France, how it was very slow and what are the reasons. France in the contest was comparatively with Britain and Germany, it was very slow. Why it was very slow? The reasons were, till 19th century there was no industrial revolution. France, the first reason, France was well noted or called as rural country. As there was no developments, it was rural country. Most of the people, development was very slow. Industries were basically consumer, depends on consumer products. As the country is based, economic situation of the country, economic position of the country based on agriculture. So naturally the products or the industries or factories were belongs to consumer products. And different ways of its lagging back were, first thing just now I said, as it depends on domestic products. Second one, poor banking system. Unlike Britain, they don't have any accessibility of banks, so they cannot invest, and they couldn't invest, and there is no source of investing in any other way. So they were very poor in banking system and investing towards the industrialization. So naturally that is one of the great reason for the lagging back in industrialization. Lack of technology. As the country is already, I have written here, the rural country without any development. So it was far away from the technology, and development was very slow. Technology was it was after the development of Britain, then Germany, different parts of different countries, then it adopted different kind of technology which made them to be very slow and very late towards the industrialization. Next one, natural resources like coal and iron. From the beginning we are discussing about coal, which is very essential for industrialization, and iron, which is important for industrialization. As Britain have abundant of coal and iron, the natural resources, it leads towards different kind of industrialization very rapidly, whereas this is one of the very weak point for the France industrialization, where they don't have such kind of natural resources like coal and iron, so they lag back. But today if you will see, most of the countries were industrially well noted, and in each and every country the part of industrialization you can see, the development you can see.